my lovely people, how are you doing? I guess you're doing fine. And today is the day 3 of Durga Utsav. If you're here for the first time, I am Sanchita Sinha back on your screen, and if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So whenever we talk of makeup, our love for makeup starts from two basic things. One is kajal and the other one is lipstick. At least for me, that is how my love for makeup started. I was always a kajal person throughout my teenage and now. And not now exactly, I'm out of kajal right now, but lipstick is something I have loved. I have seen my mother using lipstick for ages, but she was restricted only one tone, that was of maroonish tone, and only to one brand, Lakme. But as I have grown up, I have used lots of brands, and our favorite lipsticks of mine right now is here. These are all affordable, not the high-end ones, and they are absolutely love. I use them on daily basis, and these are my top 10 favorites with pink undertone. So without wasting further much of time, I'll give you the swatches of these lipsticks one by one. And yeah, without wasting further ado, let's get straight head into the video. So this particular lipstick you see here is from Maybelline, the Cream Mattes by Color Sensation Maybelline New York. This was one of the favorites when I started lipstick. So this is not that old. I have bought 2-3 of this because this color which I'm wearing right now is one of my favorites. So this is actually the first Maybelline lipstick I had, and I have bought 3 of them till now. So this is the last third one. I don't know this shade is anymore available on any site or not. I will have to check because it's almost over. This is my third one and it's almost over. The shade is pretty and it suits all skin tone. Like if you're fair, good. If you are dusky, good. If you are like medium skin tone, good. So this is amazing, and it's not even very expensive. I bought it for 299 rupees. So yeah, for another time you can just see this is the swatch. For lip swatch, I am wearing the same right now. Another very pretty lipstick of mine which has been very favorite for ages is 9 to 5 Lakme lipsticks. I am not a very Lakme person, but I have few Lakme lipsticks, and Lakme lipsticks are honestly good. I won't say it is not bad, and I don't have anything with the brand, but somehow I don't like Lakme in terms of foundation, because yeah, obviously you must have known it through the internet also that they don't have that variety of skin tone coloration available in Lakme as you compare to another brands. So this is Lakme Perfect Pink MP16. This is also one of the favorites. This is very pinky and I love it, but the only problem with this lipstick is so these are more or less same. But that the pink which I'm wearing right now, the first one, has more of a purplish hue, and this is completely pink. So this looks great on fair skin tones and for medium skin tones, and for darker ones it little bit washes away. So if you have a duskier skin tone, you can definitely pair it up with a darker color and then you can bring out a new color. But this color is definitely a bomb. I am loving, which I have loved, is Lakme Enrich Matte. This is PM11. This is very affordable, not very expensive again. So these are all the same shades almost, and I am showing anyways you the 10 top my favorites which are in pink hues and pink tones. So this is even little bit different, but if you compare the Lakme 9 to 5 and these are more or less same shade. This one is cheaper than 9 to 5, so you can also go for this option. This is Rum Raisin. This is from Calabar USA. I love Calabar products and thus, but not this foundation. Again, they have the similar kind of problem. They do not complement all the Indian skin tones in terms of foundation, but for lipsticks and kajal and nail paints, they are amazing. So this is Rum Raisin. It is a little bit darker, and I am loving it. I love it. I use it on daily basis whenever I go out. Right now I'm not, so not that much of it. The other one is also from Calabar. This is Sultry Pink 08. It is 4.2 grams of the product. It is also from Calabar USA. I don't know if the camera is able to pick up. Yeah. So this is again in the same tone, little lighter than the above. So I am showing you all my favorites which I have that pink undertone. So before, and my cult favorite, like this is my cult favorite. Why I say? Because I wear it every day, every freaking day. Because people may say this has that chappy thing. I do agree to it. So moisturize your lips well if you're using this lipstick and you will not find any complaint. The best part is it stay puts around 14 hours. I am from a profession where I have to talk a lot and I'm out of the day, out in the heat and sun most of the time, not now but majorly. This lipstick has proven itself like anything. So I keep my lips very much moisturized, and before applying this I do not forget to like apply a lip balm. So this is, you guys must have guessed it, it is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade 230 Transformer. I have talked about it, I have raved about it in my previous makeup videos, I have used it, you have seen. This looks amazing. And the best part is the felt tip applicator. The applicator goes so beautifully if you apply it like on the cupid area, because when you are using the bullet lipsticks, generally you mess up in this area and somewhere here. But this tip you see here is so pretty that it goes absolutely to the corners of your mouth and on the cupid bow without messing the lines. And you see, so beautiful. And it's very matte. I will not say that it is not matte. It does not dry out. Yes, it dry out. So for that you have to take it. So do take care of your skin and lips when you are using makeup. Try other pink color is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro. It is in the shade. I'll have to check. It is in the shade Dash of Pink 05. It contains 1.4 grams of content. And yeah, this is also very pretty color, but it does, being very honest, this does wash me out a little bit, so I use it with the other colors like to give an ombre effect. But if you are fair in a fairer skin tone, or I don't know, probably I feel I get washed out. People say it doesn't look like that, but if you are confident enough and you are not getting washed out, and if you are in the fair skin tone category, this is a superb lipstick. It is also matte and it has the same like the Super Ink Stay. It's absolutely pretty. See? It actually retails for $7.49, but I got it in the combo pack, so it didn't cost me that much. So I got two for $7.99. The same company I got for a mocha brown color, so that is also amazing. I'll do that video some other day for the brown shades of my favorite. This one is from Swiss Beauty. This actually was gifted, so I don't know that what is its price. But this color also is very pretty for day-to-day use. Actually, you cannot differentiate that this is not from any Maybelline of the world, or it's not from Lakme. It has such good finesse and so much of creaminess. It doesn't dry out at all. So I don't remember the price, because I don't know the price actually, because somebody gifted me, and you can check it online if you want this shade. I'll have to check. The shade is not written. I'll definitely link it below. I'm not able to find it right now. So if you see, the color is so pretty. It doesn't look different from any of these shades left in the same family color. One is from, again, Maybelline New York Super Ink Crayon, and I bought it recently. I had showed it in my previous haul video. If you have not seen that haul video, I will put it here for you to see. So the best part, apart from the color, the best part about this lipstick is the sharpener. I was like literally amazed to see a sharpener in a lipstick crayon. You have seen this in kajal, but for lipstick, it's great. So this is the sharpener. And this is the lipstick. It is in the shade, again I'll have to check. I'll check and get back. I have torn apart as usual. I have torn it apart. This is again super matte. And it is mauvish undertoned lipstick. This is also as beautiful as the others. So this was also for combo. I bought two of these. One was in the fiery red and this is the other one. So I remember that because I am a lover of red colors, but this is also love. And the final one is from Nykaa. This is the mini version. You can definitely get the bigger version. I actually wanted to try out Nykaa. That video is also up on the channel. You can check that out. So I wanted to try out Nykaa, and I had never purchased Nykaa before that, but trust me, I bought 5 of them and all of them were so good except one, because that did not suit me. That did wash me out a bit. So that apart from that, all of the colors I bought was superb, and the stay is not as great as Maybelline Super Ink Matte, but definitely it is good. And if you're looking for something in budget, Nykaa's mini version is good. So this is 47 ml and it contains 1.5 grams of lipstick. This is the color. And it is very nude undertone pink and it's lovely. So this is how it looks. And on my lips also it looks more or less the same. So these are the lipsticks which I love, which are from the same family. These are the top 10 favorites of mine for the pink family shade. And if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have already done it, lots and lots of love. Until next time, bye. Stay safe.